And then on that 2-minute EWO, do you get in just right as the second candle gets larger, or at the end of the second candle if it's larger?
It's a
What do
great
you
question.
prefer that?
It's a great question. So now I always say second candle because there's no other way to say it, but it doesn't have to be the second. It could be the fourth candle. It could be the
Right.
fifth candle. As soon as one candle is larger than the previous candle, I hammer it right when it gets bigger. I don't have to
Okay.
wait. I don't have to wait for it to finish. I don't need any of that. As soon as I see a candle that's gotten bigger than the previous candle, I can enter it. Because the
I,
longer you wait, now you'll get more confirmation the longer you wait, but you're also not in the trade, right? And if it's already done all the hard work of flipping from one side to the other, what are you waiting for, right?
right.
So
Hey,
now
thanks.
right
I
here.
appreciate that.
Yeah, absolutely. Now right here, you guys are in a good place because if this changes colors, which it just did, and it stays below VWAP, I'm out. I don't need to wait 25 to 40%. You could be down 2%. If that holds below VWAP and I got in anywhere, I'm out.